We have a 2016 Ford F550 single cab, four-wheel drive, diesel with 132,000 miles. This is a one-owner truck. Municipality had it. I believe it was a water authority. There's really no rust on the cab whatsoever. Cloth seats, vinyl floor, basic truck crank windows. It's never been used for snow plowing or salting. So behind the cab we have a Sullivan D185 air compressor. It only has 368 hours on it. Fires up great. So you have a nap-hide utility body with stainless Zaresco topper. The body's got some character. It's been used, but it works well. Power inverter. Feed your air hose out through the hole. Some expensive boxes up there. Vice is not froze up. Goodyear RSDs in the rear, Goodyear's in the front. Just had the truck inspected, serviced. It is ready to go.